Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. And the first one, that if you listen to music or watching a movie, you can use a gesture. You don't need to use your phone. You can volume control with a gesture. You can play next track, you can call voice assistant or enable or disable game mode with it. If you don't need volume control, you can disable it in the application. You can disable only volume control. And you need to open the application and then you just go to equalizer settings right here. We have it, and disable single press, and this actually volume control. Next one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and right here we have preset what SOUNDPEATS offer for us. Here's bass boost, so if you need it, you can also enable it in the application or use another preset. You can create your custom preset, it's up to you, and use it, or you can use adaptive equalizer, and but you need to set up it, and if you don't know how, at this channel we have a video about it, but you can also use only one, so or you use presets from SOUNDPEATS, or you create your own preset, or you use adaptive equalizer. Next one, we have ambient sound control, and right here you can see it. So here is ANC mode. Also, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can enable transparency mode, and you can enable in the application or by a gesture, by just press and hold at your left earbud. And next one, if you play games, you can enable game mode, but you may have connection instability, so I don't recommend it to use all the time this game mode, only when you play games. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily fix it by perform a factory reset. You just put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the back side we have connection button. You press and hold it until this LED light right here flashed 3 times red, and you can fix it a lot of problem with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.